What's up YouTube? Very unusual video here for me. I've got a pair of Yeezys. This is today's release, the natural colorway. I believe very interesting name for a colorway. Me personally, I got this pair specifically to trade up to the Earths for myself. I might do a little series. But to be honest, like the Earths are not worth that much in my size, so I don't think it'll be much of a trade. I think I'm just gonna sell these and grab the Earths. Yeezy Boost 350 made by Adidas. As you know, this is a sneaker unboxing, and if you don't have a pair for yourself, I would trust StockX to get you one. And there is a StockX affiliate marketing link in the description below for a pair of Yeezy Naturals. Now this is way nicer than I thought it was. I don't particularly love the 350s without the heel tab. That's why I want to get rid of these and get myself a pair of Earths with the heel tab. This part of the Yeezy right here is very interesting. This little lace tab thing. The laces are interconnected, so there's no tying shoes anymore when you have Yeezys, which is nice, I gotta say. We have a little bit too much light in the video, so I'm gonna tone it down right there. Check out the bottoms right here. This is an authentic pair, in case you were wondering. It did come from Foot Locker. So let's pull out the second pair here. Second of the pair. Excuse me. Yeezys natural colorway. Gonna throw them on foot here later on in the video, but it's very unusual for me to have Yeezys. I don't really deal with Yeezys. I don't really buy Yeezys often. I kind of just bought these for the culture, if you know what I mean. I feel like I want to do one of those what's inside videos where I open the Yeezy from right there and like I saw it in half. I'm pretty sure that's been done before. What do you think of this colorway? Like sometimes I feel like if there was no brand associated with the shoe and I was wearing it, people would think I was an idiot. However, because of the branding and the fact that the shoe is relatively comfortable and it's reasonably aesthetically pleasing with the right silhouette of clothing, and by silhouette I mean with the right fitting trousers and the right fitting tops, these can look good. So I'm gonna throw them on foot here and you can let me know what you think of them in the comment section below. This is the Yeezy natural colorway. Let's see how they look. Now, if you're not familiar with Yeezys, they come with a little bit of stuffing inside, like an embarrassing amount. Like that's cute, but what is that really gonna do? You don't need too much stuffing considering it's prime knit and it's not gonna really crease. I haven't put on a pair of Yeezys in a long time. Very excited about this. I gotta just take this in. Take this moment in right now. Wow. As usual, Adidas sneakers are not really comfortable for me. My pinky toe right here gets like really irritated by them. I might have to take out the insole if I want to get myself a pair. Honestly, the size 13 is pretty good. It's a little bit loose around the heel, but the rest of it is not bad. Maybe I have a little bit too much length, but the actual width of the shoe on the outside is not bad. I'm usually a size 12. Great pair of sneakers. If you're looking for a nice pair of jeans or joggers to go with your sneakers, check out the Amazon affiliate marketing links in the description. You can get yourself some scotch and soda jeans like these, some nudie jeans, or some Xanaro joggers. You can get yourself a lot of other stuff on Amazon as well. So definitely check out those affiliate marketing links. I'm sure there's thousands of hours of footage on these already, so I'm going to take them off for now. I'm going to throw the stuffing back up in here, and we're going to rebox these. Because in reality, these are not for me. Because my personal Yeezy preference includes only the Yeezys with the heel tabs, unfortunately. And maybe those Beluga 2.0s. I'm pretty sure those don't have heel tabs. But those are my favorite Yeezys, so they get a pass. I'm also considering purchasing 2 pairs of 750s just as an investment. Let me know what you think of that idea in the comment section below. Now me personally, I kind of want to just buy up a whole bunch of sneakers that are in scarce demand and low demand. Sorry, in low supply, excuse me, in scarce supply. And take my time, just hold on to them, and maybe sell them for exorbitant amounts of money. And these 750s are a good example of a shoe that I can do that with. Yeezy 350. I don't think people really remember how hyped those 750s used to be. And if you can put some money into them and not really expect anything in return, you can list them for exorbitant prices, and there's a reasonable chance that they'll sell. Just gonna go through the box here real quick, because I haven't had a pair of Yeezys in a long time, you know? Thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Check out the affiliate marketing links in the description. In case you needed footage of the box, here you are. In case you don't believe it's real, or something along those lines. This is an awesome pair of shoes. Thanks for watching. Goodbye. One more thing, before I forget, I should mention that these Yeezys are made in China. And if Kanye West is planning on running for president, that might be a topic they discuss in the debate. I know, I'm just trolling. Sorry, I apologize. I'm just trolling. What I really wanted to say, I wanted to mention one last thing about the actual shoes. I don't think we've talked about this heel tab here, where this section of heel is actually like a different color. Let's tone down the exposure so maybe we can see that a little better. I don't know how we feel about this, where we have this, the bottom color kind of stretches onto this exterior section at the back here. Sometimes I like it, sometimes I hate it. I know it's not very noticeable. As you can see the difference right there. I just feel from time to time that it's not ideal, maybe. But I would like to hear what you think about that in the comment section below. Thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. This is a pair of Yeezy Naturals. There's affiliate marketing links in the description. Goodbye.